On this episode, I go through a safety check, I cross a valley, I yell, wait, wait, and now let's begin. Hello and good morning. So I'm all ready for camping. So all set for trek. Bag, trekking boots. Now let's collect the chadar that I'm gonna need to sleep and also the sleeping mat. I'll be taking one of these. The chadar लूँगा. Tent already set up है. पानी का bottle लेना है. And this is the food ration. The things that you all need to cook, or the participants needs to cook. And once they have collected this, उसके बाद they have to do a registration here, safety check, that is temperature, you do temperature check, और फिर oxygen 99-90. So I'm good to go. And this is the team. So as the instruction you heard, so he's the team leader and now his team is gonna come take one of those, and we are gonna take packed lunch. So मुझे भी एक packed lunch pick up करना है. So he is the director for this group, managing director, and how excited are you for this group?
Very much. So it's a long trek, I believe.
Yeah, it's gonna be a long trek. So now we are gonna take this tum-tum rickshaws. I don't know if you see it right there, and we are going to the start point of the trek.
Okay.
फिर वहाँ से ट्रैकिंग शुरू होगा. It is a 45 minutes. कोलार तक जाएंगे. फिर उसके बाद ट्रैकिंग स्टार्ट.
Done.
Okay. See you.
All the best.
All the best to you too.
Thank you.
This is the car that I am going in. हम सुमो में जा रहे हैं. बाकी की पब्लिक जा रही है इन टम-टम. ट्रैकिंग स्टार्ट पॉइंट में मिलेंगे. So this is where the vehicle drops you, and then it's a walk to the starting point, a short walk. The group has accumulated.
Are we ready doing this team?
Spartan, this is Spartan.
Spartans, come this side.
Okay, Spartans.
Okay, Spartans, leader. संकेत हाथ ऊपर करो. या जरा मुंह बता देना जरा. हाँ, या संकेत will be leading you. Okay.
So the trek begins from this exact point. And यहाँ से फिर सिर्फ जंगल और पहाड़. So यहाँ पे here we need to keep the mask down, as while we are going against the gravity. So we need more oxygen. And oxygen जाने के लिए mask does not help. And the jungle sounds have already begun. I hope you can hear it. So we have already reached our first checkpoint where we will take a lunch break. It is 12:20 right now. It's going to be an early lunch. As you can see right there, that is the first checkpoint. Basically it's a village people stay here, like way away from civilization. And here is where we're gonna have lunch. That's our lunch. This is the lunch. Matar, paneer, chapati, और अंदर salad है. And we all are having lunch here. Most of the team is sitting there. And here's captain. So, lunch के बाद bottle refilled, stomach refilled, energy refilled, time to continue. So we will be going through this small village. उसके बाद it's pure jungle. Wait. Team, wait. These guys forgot their food that they're gonna have. अब पूरा team को वापस जाना है. The army team that forgot the ration. Now army captain is gonna give a yelling.
What you guys forgot the most important resource. Most important resource. ऊपर कुछ नहीं मिलता था आपको. क्या था? राशन. पूरा राशन ही भूल गए आप लोग. एक राशन पेट में डाल दिया तो वो भूल गया. आगे का 5 push-ups for this. All down. All down 5. All down. So that he reminds
So that's what happens if you forget your ration. Don't forget your ration. So we are going there. So यहाँ से हम जा रहे. We'll be going in between somewhere there. There will be a valley crossing. और फिर वहाँ जाके हम camp करेंगे. So चलो, let's not make people wait. Let's continue. This has become a crab hunting ground. वरा
पकड़. खाने को ले रहा है? आज रात का बारबेक्यू पार्टी.
All the Goa people are hunting crabs. Remember, I had pointed a tabletop below. We're almost there. After this, we are gonna reach the valley crossing point. From there, we are gonna go do valley crossing. Then फिर वहाँ से हम fort से sunset देखेंगे. And I'm sure it's gonna be very beautiful. Okay. Oh. So we have reached the valley crossing point, and as you can see, it was a steep climb. So with this bag and ration, it's really difficult. And plus मेरे पास camera equipment भी है, making it more heavy. So wow, it was an experience, and the weather did not help at all. It's hot, humid, and there is no wind today. Otherwise there's a lot of wind, and when there is wind it helps, but windy nahi hai. So I'm just lying down for 5 minutes, then I'll show you how valley crossing is done and what is the drop to the next clip, please. So that is Srinivas, who has harnessed and attached this individual to the valley crossing rope, and he is Prathamesh Bunty, say hi, and he has the control of the speed of how fast he goes. Let's see. Woo! Now he's controlling the speed. So that's the speed he went at. This is exciting. So I'm all harnessed or geared up, you can say. And next step is protection. Don't get any ideas. I'm talking about the helmet and the gloves. And next stop is valley crossing. So it's my turn going up.
Come back. राइट लेग डालो ऊपर से. ऊपर से.
अच्छा ओके.
रेडी? अभी क्या करना है? अभी क्या करना है बोलो. आपको फोटो निकालना है, वीडियो निकालना है.
Okay, let's go.
रेडी? चलो. ले.
Whoa! Oh yeah! Wow! Check it out! Okay, here we are at the middle spot. Look at the drop. At this side, the view. Wow, it's an amazing experience, and I'm hanging upside down. Okay, let's go. Wapas se. And birds, lot of birds. That's the landing point. So that was an exciting experience. That's the drop, and that's the valley that I crossed. Now next stop, fort. Just 15 minutes trek. Here the fort has already begun. You see this boundary wall? That is of the fort.
Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj ki
Jai! Now we are inside the fort's boundary wall. Check this out. This is a rock from that era, and there is some kind of carvings on it. I think I'm on the wrong side of it. Looks like that. This is how it's supposed to be. I don't know how old it is, and I don't know what language is it. So if you have any idea, or if you guys are able to read it, so pause the video. There is a clear view, and let me know in the comment box, and others as well, what is that reading, and what is that language, and what does it say. And we are at the tabletop, the first checkpoint, that small village where we stopped to have lunch. And from there we started to walk. We walked that flat plateau, after which we started the climb to that hill, and then we trekked and walked, climbed, and came to this point, joining this hill. You see this edge? Yeah. So we came to this hill, where we came to that cliff, which is right behind this point. If you can look at my finger, iske piche hai. And that's where the valley crossing took place. We crossed the valley, came to this hill, and we trekked, as you saw, and we reached here. So quick guide. These yellow canopies are basically the toilets. So this is the washroom that we are gonna use whenever nature calls. And then you have this white marking that has been made so that people can guide themselves to the washroom, and this path will then take you to your campsite. The camping site looks very beautiful from this point. White and blue tents. So it is all highlighted with this white powder and white paint. And here we have a 2-man tent. Then that is, the blue ones are the 4-man tent. And this is how the campsite looks like. And this is where we are going to spend the night. And that's the sunset. That means it's time for the time lapse. So the sun has gone down. Cooking has begun. वहाँ सब्जी कट हो रही है. The second team also is doing the same. And यहाँ पे it's gonna become pitch black. I don't know. Let's see if there is moon tonight. वहाँ खाना पक रहा है. चूल्हा cooking. And there's the second chula. As you can see, the dinner is ready. That's veg biryani, which is on my plate. There's going to be dal tadka and dal fry coming up. Finally, dal tadka is here, dal fry is here. Biryani. So here is the tent. Sorry, mobile messages. Okay, so I opened the first layer. This is the second layer. Open. So this is नीचे यहाँ पे मैट है, उसके ऊपर चादर है, यहाँ बैग है, there is my GoPro battery being charged,